Why, hello there. My towel was falling off my head and I didn't even think to fix it before the intro. Oh my god, was that thunder? Did you guys hear that? Hello guys. I know I look really cute right now, really good. But a couple months ago, I bought tickets to the JLO concert. You guys have no idea how excited I am. I freaking love Jennifer Lopez. I have loved her for years. I even recreated one of her music videos for my 15s. It was really embarrassing, but that's how much I loved her. So anyway, I bought tickets months and months ago, and today is the JLO concert, and it sucks because I have been feeling like absolute poop the past couple of days. I have a cold. I just, you know, like when your body feels weak and you don't want to get out of bed and you feel extremely sluggish and you have no energy? That's how I'm feeling right now. But I mean, the show must go on. I have to go to this concert, and since I've been feeling really poopy and I haven't been able to film, I thought, you know what, let me film myself getting ready for the concert. That's quality content, huh? So that's what today's video is. I'm just gonna get ready to go to the concert and you guys can come along. I actually just got out of the shower. I just washed my hair. And it is time for me to blow dry it with my handy dandy Revlon thing. I love this even more than my Dyson one. I'm not gonna lie, my hair smells pretty burnt for a little while after I use this. And I mean, I use a heat protectant and everything. I just don't think it's as good as the Dyson one when it comes to protecting your hair from the heat. The Dyson one is amazing for that. Obviously, it has like super Dyson technology, but this is so much more affordable and it gets the job done. Probably burning my hair, but it's cheap and I love it. So I'm gonna brush my hair with my Kristen Ess Brush, my favorite brush. Oh, got a bunch of hair in there, that's disgusting. And then the heat protectant that I'm currently using and trying out is the Sun Balm heat protector. I'm gonna apply some leave-in conditioner first, my Briogeo Rosarco milk. Now I'll just take my flat iron and I will go over these areas right here that are still a little bit curly, and then I'll be good to go. Okay, so this part of the video is gonna be voiceover style because I feel like if I sit here and talk through everything, the video is gonna be too long. So I took my Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist as kind of like a prepper before my makeup. And then I primed my lids with the Urban Decay Primer Potion before going in with this bad boy. This is the Colourpop Honey palette, and I'm taking this color right here. It's a very delicious, like dirty yellowy brown, and I love it. And I am pretty much just packing this color on. Like, I'm really packing this on. I even switch brushes. I get one that's a little bit more precise right here, and then I start packing it on again. So I'm focusing this color mainly on the outer corners, and then I'm dragging it into the crease and then blowing that up. But yeah, I'm putting a lot of this guy on my eyes. I want to add a little smokiness to the base of my lashes, so I'm going in with the Elfish eyeshadow from Colourpop. By the way, this is my Colourpop Z palette, and I have my Zodiac palette and my Dream Street palette in this Z palette. So I just took the Elfish color, which you can get in the Dream Street palette, and I'm just smudging this color near my lashes. And then I'm going to take the shade Moony, also in the Dream Street palette, and I'm going to highlight my brow bone with this color. And then I'm going back into the Honey palette, and I'm taking that bright yellow, and I'm going to pack this color on my inner corners. I'm going to add a wing using the Balm's Shwing liquid liner in black. I love this guy. It's very matte, very black. And I'm just adding a baby wing, you know, not trying to do too much there. And then I thought, you know what, I need a little sparkle on my lids. So I took a little bit of the Too Faced glitter glue, and then I took my Artist Couture little shimmery diamond powder in the shade Golden Hour, and I just added this ever so gently on my lids. I just wanted a little bit of this, not too much. I wanted just a little hint of sparkle. I'm gonna tightline using the Causemetics eyeliner in black. And then I'm gonna start on my face. I'm going in with my Ultra Repair primer from First Aid Beauty, and I'm just adding this as my primer, of course. And then for foundation, I'm taking my Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation in the shade Y305, and I'm blending that in with my Love is the Foundation brush. Oh my god, it's thundering so bad where I am right now. If you can hear that on my microphone, I'm sorry. Okay, I love this foundation, super full coverage, super amazing, perfect for the JLO concert. I'm going in with my favorite concealer ever, the Jouer Essential High Coverage Concealer, packing that on. And I'm using the shade Macadamia because I ran out of Creme Cafe. So I've moved on to Macadamia. And then I'm just adding my Thrive Causemetics powder underneath the eyes to set down my concealer, and then we can finish up the eyes. I'm just taking a little bit more of that yellow color to intensify the inner corners. And then I'm just pretty much smudging this brown on my lower lashes, getting it nice and smoky. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of the Elfish color as well and really smoke it out some more. And then of course I added some of that Causemetics eyeliner to my waterline. And then I took my Capricorn eyeshadow from my Zodiac palette, and I used this to smoke out the outer corners of my lower lash line, make it a little bit more deep and smoky. Then of course I am just curling my lashes with my Jouer lash curler. And then I'm going in with my Pat McGrath Fetish Eyes mascara. On my lower lashes though, I'm using the Thrive Causemetics mascara because it's a tubing mascara and it doesn't smudge on my lower lashes, so I love that. And then for bronzer, I'm going in with my Bare Minerals Endless Summer Bronzer, and I'm contouring and bronzing the skin with this as well. For blush, you already know what time it is. I'm gonna use Lunar Has It from Colourpop. And then for highlight, I am taking a must-have, of course. This is the Artist Couture Endless Summer. No, wait. Summer Haze. Summer Haze. I love this highlight. It is beautiful. It always looks so jutesy and wet. And I'm just putting that everywhere. And then I'm going to take this Makeup Forever mist that I just got in the mail. It's their brand new, like, Mist and Fix. It's supposed to be hydrating and long-lasting. So I was just testing that out. And then for lips, I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Contour Lip Liner, overdrawing the lips just a little bit. And then for gloss, I'm taking my trusty dusty Moonchild lip gloss from Colourpop. Best lip gloss ever, just saying. And then that completes this makeup look for JLO. I love it, I'm into it. It's simple, but like bronzy and delicious. I love it. Okay, so ignore the mess you may see in this room. I am now getting dressed. When I heard that JLO was coming to concert, I immediately looked for merch and I saw that she had made her merch with Guess. They were selling it on the Guess website, so I bought this shirt to wear to the concert. And when I went to iron it, or I used a steamer, my steamer broke. So I thought it would be cute to wear my bell bottoms with it. The only thing is, I feel like bell bottoms only look cute with like little wedges or like little heels. And I really didn't want to wear heels today, but we gotta do what we gotta do. I think I'm gonna go with these. I really like them and I've never worn them. And they're very short. They're super comfortable. I hate heels. Like, I hate wearing heels. I can barely walk in them. So I always have to opt for things like this. But they're adorable and I think I'm gonna go with them. By the way, I got these jeans at American Eagle, if anyone is wondering. Yeah, I'm in my closet. I'm about to head out the door and I'm just like putting on my jewelry. And I was saving these hoops for like a glorious moment, you know? A moment where these would be perfect. And now I feel like they might be too big. I mean, can a hoop ever be too big? I thought no, but I might just do it. I might just keep these on. If there was ever a time to wear hoops this big, it's to a JLO concert. Let's go. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I just woke up. I feel like dog poop. My throat hurts. But I had so much fun yesterday. Oh my gosh. Jennifer Lopez is an incredible performer. I can't even get over how good that was. It was just so high energy. Oh my god, it was incredible. Like, whoa, even better than I thought it was gonna be. And I think that my favorite moment was when she sang a Selena song. I was hoping that she would. I've never been to a JLO concert. I don't know if that's something she does, but I was just hoping that she would, and she did. It was amazing. It was incredible. I really enjoyed it, and I just wanted to update you on that. But that completes this video, guys. I'm gonna wrap things up here, but I hope you enjoyed this like mini get ready with me / vlog. Yeah, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.